Okay, this is my Scratch MIT tutorial. Today we're going to look at motion and costume change. So first, I am going to have to add a sprite, and today let's use, per se, the dinosaur one. Perfect. Alright, so, always first you're going to have to go to events. You're going to have a module that will run the scripts you have under it. So let's say if I have when clipped, and I add 10 steps. When I click the green flag, he should move 10 steps, for instance. To show movement some more, we can go to Control. We can have him repeat moving 10 steps, or we can even have him going 10 steps forever. Some different commands you can kind of mess around with. Let's say we want to have him rotate. As he moves 10 steps, since it has a forever on it, he'll forever turn 15 degrees. We can also have our dinosaur slide down the X and Y axis. So, I'll delete the forever here, and we'll add change Y by 10, and then we'll have it change by X by -15. So simultaneously go in the same direction. There you go. Alright, so hopefully you kind of see some of that. You can mess around with that. So now we're going to have it where our dinosaur will move 10 steps when clicked. So there's 10 steps when clicked, and then if on edge, which these are the edges, he'll bounce. Oops, and we have to have the repeat or the forever on there if we want that to work. So we're gonna have it have him change costume when he bounces on edge. So to give him another costume, which we only have one right now, we have to click on the costume tab. Oh, and actually, he has a ton of costumes. But if you want to add a costume and have him switch a costume, you would add a new spray and click on the costume you wanted. But it's fine, so we'll just have him run through the costumes. So we'll do Control. If he's touching the edge, then he will change in the next costume. And then we'll put this down in here. So now, hopefully, when he goes against the edges, he'll change costume. Oh, there you go. So hopefully that gives you a basic idea to some of the fundamentals in MIT Scratch. And you can do this to a series of effects. You can have it when the sprite is touching something, it changes costume. So if I want it to be when it touches the gal to change costume, I'll have the gal move 10 degrees forever and then bounce. That possibly he'll change his costume as well. So if on edge bounce, so we'll have the gal move. Alright, so we will go back to the dinosaur script, and we will take this out, but we'll try to make it, if touching the ghost too, then switch to the next costume. So let's see if we can make that work. Oh no! We have to plug this back in here. Alright. Hopefully we can bring this guy back. Maybe gone forever. Oh my gosh. This is insanity. Alright. Forget it. So we'll delete this. This is the same script, okay? And let's see if this works. Oh my god. We have 10 steps if on edge bounce. Give me one moment. Okay, there you go. So once he hits the gal, he's changing costume. I just had to take out if on edge bounce out of right here. So hopefully this gives you a basic idea. And thanks.